We're here with Lynelle Lynch, and we're talking about getting your dream job. Tell us how that is fitting into the whole Beauty Changes Lives Foundation.
Thank you. Well, we know that this is a dream job, and we also know that we have to make this career a first choice. We found a Reuters study years ago that said only 14% of Americans have a dream job. Everyone works for a paycheck. And we in this industry love our jobs, so why not celebrate that? Actually, the Ratner Group was the first one to jump behind this, and in 950 locations, they are actually putting the Get Your Dream Job collateral out there. So in essence, it's to ask every professional every day to share with their guests why they love their job. Because the hidden secret is many people would love to be part of this industry, but they've never had the courage or confidence to enroll in beauty school, because most people have never seen this as a first choice. They've always seen it as a second choice, a third choice, etc. So we're trying to engage the entire professional community to share with their guests why they love their job and elevate this perception so that people do decide to join. Because again, we cannot judge anyone. There's many people who would love to be in this industry but have never had the courage.
Oh, that's so cool. I mean, I know this woman who was 55. She said, I've always wanted to be a hairdresser and went to beauty school. I mean, is that the kind of stuff that you're finding, that you're seeing people who are just leaving other careers and at all ages?
At all ages. I had an engineer who was absolutely at the height of her game come in because she wanted to help with cancer patients. I had a woman who was 60 who said I had to get a divorce, get my kids out of the house to do my passion. I've had so many stories at my school, and it's heartbreaking, and that's why really we need to make this a first choice career.
I love this. And another gentleman I was speaking to, I won't say his name, said, was talking about retirement, and he goes, why would I retire? I love what I do. And he's pushing 70, and he goes, I have no interest in retiring. Why would I give this up?
No one should, because we actually have the best career ever. We get to be in a business where we make a difference, we change people's lives, and we have fun while we're doing it.
I love it. And thank you so much for creating this foundation. It's such a cool thing, and it's so appropriate for the industry.
And we just hope that everyone out there really understands this as a cause. We know that there's many causes, whether it's cancer or whatever they choose, but we want them to at least have one piece of their philanthropy that understands that paying our success forward is important, and we want them to have Beauty Changes Lives as part of their philanthropic cause annually.
Love it. For more information, go to
beautychangeslives.org.
Love it. Thank you so much for stopping by.
My pleasure.
Bye.